Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting, and as you can see, there's a lot going on my desk today. We are making a Halloween card, and I want to make another one of these for the card front. Okay, so I have paper right here. Oh my gosh. I have carved pumpkin ink, wilted violet, and then black soot in my archival because it's all I have. I have a bunch of stuff cut out. I have bases. Oh, this looks really blue on camera, but it is actually purple. It's a pure purple. Same color as the wilted violet, to give you any kind of reference. But for some reason, my camera washes purple out so bad. So let's get started. So we're going to start by inking this one. I did have to pause because I realized I cut these too big. I cut these to 4 by 5 1/4 to go on the front of the card base. And we're going to start with orange, the carved pumpkin. These are super cheap blending brushes. They work great, and they are in my Amazon storefront, but they work great. Okay, so we're just going to start with orange on the bottom, and then we're going to go to the purple. Let me put this away. Okay, put that aside. Then the wilted violet. Fun fact, this is my only purple. Can you believe that? Purple's my favorite color. How is this my only purple ink? I don't know. I'm going to try to make it a little bit deeper at the top, even though it will be inked with the black around it. We still just want it a little deeper at the top. Okay. There we go. Close it up before I forget about it. And then the black soot. And that we're just going to come in and like go around the edges slightly. Okay, and then let's take this one off and fix this one because like I said, cut it too big. Okay, there we go. And we'll put that aside. Clean off the glass mat and put the glass mat away because we're done with it. Okay, now, so we have these two. Okay, and then we have these two trees. They may look familiar. I've used them before. Probably not going to use the whole, it's going to, well, not probably, it's going to have to be trimmed. It's a very big tree. Very, very big. And then I have this signpost die. So we have that, and then it has some grass, and there's bats. Bats, bats, bats. That, and then there's pumpkins, and that I believe is all the pieces, correct? Nope, it's not all the pieces. There was one more, this one right here. So we have everything ready to go. I do need to ink that because that is very, very plain, very plain. So let's ink some of these pieces here. And let's hold them with our reverse tweezers so I don't get more black ink all over myself. Wouldn't that be smart? I don't want it to be completely covered, or else I would have just cut it out in black. I just want some. And make sure the right side's facing. Now this die I got from Temu. Everything on Temu sells so fast. It's probably not available anymore. But as I was cutting the stuff out, I was so mad at myself for spending the money on this die. Because literally I have a wood signpost die already. I have pumpkin dies already. I probably, if I looked, probably have a bat die. I think the KS Craft Halloween, I can't even get this up, what the heck, Halloween add-on, I think has a bat. So I literally have everything. I don't know why I bought this die. So the KS Craft, that kind of stuff is linked below. Well, not below, but it's linked in my Amazon storefront, which is linked below. So you can make this yourself. I mean, honestly, you don't even need, I'm going to tell you, you don't even need this die. You could just cut them out of paper. I thought when I bought this die that it would have like wood grain and stuff in it, but it doesn't. The other one that I have does, and I believe that's in my Amazon storefront. I will double check then when I'm done with this video. Before it's posted, I will double check, but I'm pretty sure that I have it linked down below. Oh, in my Amazon storefront. You know what I mean. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that. I mean, yeah, it's like ripped and torn, but you literally can do that yourself. Honestly. Thankfully, it was only like $1, because you know how Temu is. Their stuff is so cheap. So this was only like $1 something, so I didn't like waste a ton of money, but still. Alright, so let's start building. I am going to, I think, trim off what's not going to be used. That way I'm not gluing stuff that isn't even going to be on. Because you just end up making a mess. And I don't feel like making a mess today. I've already made a mess. My fingers are probably just ridiculously, yeah, they're very, very, very dirty. That's alright. Fun fact, if you want to get ink off, either you can use a baby whip. I use hand sanitizer. This is what I use. As long as it has rubbing alcohol in it, it will clean not only your glass mat, but your hands. Okay. So, here we go. Cute. I love this tree. This is also a die. I got it on Amazon though, and I just got it recently, so they should still have it in stock. It is a Halloween die, and it is definitely in my storefront. I've used this a good amount now. Alright, now we're going to take our signpost. Wow. Signpost, and put it on here. I mean, honestly, I think I'm like, I can't, my memory, man. I got a message from my pharmacy telling me that this is my final notification that I need to come pick up my medication. And I called because I'm like, I picked up my medication. What is going on? She's like, yeah, no, you didn't. I thought, well, I would have sworn I did, but I guess I didn't. Let's put him on the top, but there's probably still some ink on here. Yeah. Let's dirty him up. He's too stark white for my taste. There we go. So we're going to put him on the top. basically saying beware, right? Beware. Okay, and then we build our signpost. Put some crooked because, you know, this looks like an old signpost. It's been around the block some. Go, and we have some bats. Because what creepy scene is it's not complete without a bat. Oh my god, I cannot. And we'll put some pumpkins down at the bottom. I cut out 3 pumpkins for each card. And then a pumpkin right here. What do you think? Good. And another bat. One last bat. Okay, I'm going to pause and do this one. Do you think I'm going to be able to do it exactly the same? Probably not, but you don't need to watch me do another one, so I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. I shockingly got them almost exactly alike. So let's add them to our card bases. Standard A2 size card base I have here. And I decided to go with purple because, honestly, there was a piece sitting here. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now, I could cut out a word die to go with this, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Now on the inside, because it's purple, we're going to glue just a plain white piece of paper. I cleaned my hands before I came back on screen so I wouldn't get, you know, stuff all over this white cardstock. So there we go. And then this one. So there we go. I love how they came out. They're so cute. But like I said, listen, don't worry about not having this die. There are other wooden sign post dies out there. There's other tree dies out there. There's pumpkin dies. There's bats. I mean, I'm sure you have something that could make this card look like this and not have to worry about getting this die. Honestly, because honestly, I would have preferred a different die anyway. I like the ones that show the wood grain. So, but there's that. What do you guys think? Let me know down below, and thanks for joining me today, you guys. I'm only doing 4 days of Halloween projects this year, so I don't know if this is the last one. This might be the last. Nope, there's one more tomorrow. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.